Okay, so we already talked this one yesterday and today is Saturday. So this one is the last. So Tyler, the last makeup class with teacher Juvin because it's only one day, 1 hour now for the makeup class because the last holiday is Monday and Wednesday. So I need to teach Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, but our class is only Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, MWF. So here, so yesterday we talked about reflection. Pichaya, tell me what is reflection in Thai?
สะท้อน
What's that?
สะท้อน
Satan. When you look out in the mirror, you will see yourself, right? Okay. I will not be in a hurry now. I will not teach a lot because we are just 16 students now. So I will just explain this one. Explain more. Okay. Lucas, if you look at the mirror, what can you see in the mirror?
If you see my face,
You see yourself, your face now.
and self. See you, Oppa. Oppa.
Oppa, you can see Oppa. You like Oppa? Who likes Oppa here? Who likes Oppa? You know, Lucas is an artist and Pendara, no? So Oppa duay, Oppa. So Lucas pen Oppa. And Pichaya pen Oppo. Kami siya Oppo. Oppa duay, Oppa. Okay na?
Oppa is have to be the face
like Koreans, no? Koreans.
Japan too. Oppa.
Oppa. Okay. So, tutlo. May siya tut mang. Seripat na may siya. Okay. Listen to me. Reflection happens when light touches an object or material and some light is returned from the object. So because of the light, we see our reflection in the mirror or in the smooth surface. Now, for example, we have two reflections here. Regular and irregular. Regular and irregular. Irregular, that is rough, very rough. That's why the bounce, this one here, we will study this one today. What are this? This one, what is this? And what is this one? No? Because, as I have said, I will choose color blue for this one. And I ask you, everyone, Pacharapon is here. I ask you to color differently. But some of you maybe did not listen. Just copy the work from the album, from the album. No? So some of you followed my instruction. You copy, but not the same color. Two colors. For example, this is color red here, and this is color blue here. So that we can identify which one is incident ray and reflected ray. Okay? The brother of Chanida Pa, do not be angry, Nadja. Teacher Juvin is just explaining, Nadja. Push. Okay. Okay, na? So let's proceed. So here. So when light from the flashlight, so this one yesterday, no? So when light from the flashlight reflects off the wall and hits our eyes, we will see the light on the wall. So here, light moves in a straight line. May siya curve na? In a straight line. Straight line. Where is my pen? Here. Straight line. When the light moves and hits a medium, it creates a shadow behind the object. An opaque object. So we talked this one yesterday. So this is the light source. The light source here. And this one here is what we call the shadow. Okay, the shadow. So because the light cannot pass through, no, the light cannot pass through. That's why it can create what? It can create shadow, right? Cannot pass through. That's why we can create a shadow here. This is the shadow. Okay, the shadow. Now, never mind with that one. I will give you a good example of that. the umbra and penumbra, especially in your what's this? Your galaxy. We will talk about galaxy next time. Okay, here, refraction. Who can tell me what is refraction? Refraction. Have you searched have you done your research? Have you done your work your vocabulary?
Yes.
Okay, what is refraction?
สะท้อน
Saton, lo? How about reflection? Reflection and refraction are not the same, na? Reflection here, this one is saton, mang. Reflection, flexion. This one is refract, refraction. That is different. Refraction means, okay, na, I will search here na. I will try to write.
Is phenomenon where light change in movement.
You are reading.
Ah.
I want to know that is refraction in Thai.
Ah.
This one, Teacher Juvin will try to write in Thai. So please stay there and help me. What? What?
ไก่ชะอารอเรือรอเรือก้าน
One. Then shark again. Then this one
การ
again.
หักเหรอการ
Oh.
Teacher almost teacher
Almost. Pep.
it's very hard teacher.
Yes. It's like I am drawing the noodles. Then quit yell.
การหักเหของแสง
That one. What's that? ก่อนแสง
การหักเหของแสง
Okay, that one, again. การหักแห่งของแสง That one, refraction. I will erase. I am very funny. Okay, this one, this one here, refraction is, I will put here the bending of light. Okay, now a while ago we talked about the light moves in a straight line. Okay, moves in a straight line, like your book is out there. So I will tell you what's the experiment here. I will find a video and send it to our group. Now here, light moves in a straight line. Remember that one, in a straight line. Now here, it says here, refraction is the bending of light. Bending แปลว่าอะไร bending คือ bending แปลว่า ไม่ใช่ dad หรอ dad นั่นไง bending แปลว่าอะไรนี่I will write here นะthis one, what's this? Can you read that one? Bending. Oi, cannot read my writing. Bending means that lo. That. That. Okay, bending. So refraction is the phenomenon where light changes its movement from a straight line, and then it hits an object, and then it will become it will refract. The light will bend. When light moves from one medium to another, meaning there are two mediums here, one and another. Remember your mediums, the transparent and opaque. Transparent, translucent, and opaque, right? When the light travels in a straight line and hit bang and hit another one. So there are two objects here. Two objects that has different density. Density, Karina? What's this? Density. Tama. Pamnanen. The light changes its speed, which affects the movement of light. I will explain this one. Now, if we are at school, I will show you this one. No? You can try this one. You can try. You can get a transparent glass. No? Transparent glass. You put a water. Everybody, put a water and put your pencil. What will happen to the pencil? Who can do this one? Who can do it? Who can do it right now? I don't have a glass here. Teacher Juvin is very poor. Who can do it? This one? Who can do this one? Get a transparent glass. Okay, faster, faster. Get a transparent glass. Get a glass. A transparent glass. Careful na. Penkel. And then you put some water. You put the water half of the water, and you put the pencil. A colored pencil. A color one. A color yellow one. And what will happen to the pencil? I think Rewadi knows the answer because Rewadi is smiling. Why Rewadi is smiling? Okay, now faster. Who can do this one? Let's see. Let's see who can do it. Let's see who can do it. And let's see who can do it at home now. Like we will watch you. Who can do it?
I can do.
Who's that?
Me.
Who? Tell me the name.
Pia.
Pia. Let's go to Pia. Look at Pia na. Look at Pia. Pia, where are you, Pia? Pia. Pia is here. Look at Pia. Look at Pia. Everybody look at Pia. Here. Pia, thank you so much, Pia. What did you see? What did you see? I will stop sharing.
It's like
Pia, pepnin. Pia, pepnin. I will put Pia here.
yeah, it's like a pencil is bigger and it's not straight off the
See? Thank you so much, Pia. Thank you. Very good. Very good. Very good, Lucas. Pia, we cannot see again, Pia. Pia, again, please. Look at Pia here. Look at Pia. What's that? What happened to the pencil? What happened to the pencil, guys?
Pencil in the water is bigger than up, and it's not like not straight off the pencil that not in the water.
Okay. Pia, follow me. Pia, remove the pencil. Pia, remove the pencil, please. Okay, remove from the water. Let's see the pencil. Where is the pencil, Pia? Look, where is the pencil? Look at the pencil. That's beside with the water. Do not put the pencil in the water. Do not put in the water. Do not put in the water. Remove. Okay, we want to see the pencil. We want to see the pencil. Where's the pencil? We want to see the pencil. Okay. See, na? Look at the pencil. It's a straight and the same size. The same size, right? It's not big, right? Now, when Pia put it on the water, 1, 2, 3, put in the water, Pia, please. Okay, and we will see what happened. What happened to the pencil?
It's not the same size.
Not the same size and not straight at all. What happened there? Thank you so much, Pia. Let's go back to, thank you so much, Pia. Let's go back here. Let's go back to the PowerPoint presentation. Now, so as you can see, like Pia did a while ago. Pia, thank you so much, Pia. So here, look at that one. It's the same, right? Why? Because the light comes from here. For example, the light comes from here. It touches, number one, touches to the glass first. Am I right? It says here, refraction is the phenomenon where light changes its direction, its movement, sorry. When light moves from one medium to another that has different density. Here, the light travels from the air, from the air. That's the number one. That's the first medium. The air, number one. Number two goes to the glass. How many mediums do we have? Two. It travels in the air, and then the light travels going to the glass. Meaning, if the light hits two or more mediums, like this one, hits, and the third one is the water, right? Hits to the water. Number one from the air, going to the glass. Number two and number three going to the air. Meaning, the light travels there. If the light hits two or more, what will happen to the light? It will refract. Okay, it will refract. Meaning, the light will bend. The light will bend. Actually, for example, this is our eyes here. Our eyes, when we look at this one, we can see that this one here, I will color red na. This one is in our eyes position. We can see outside, but jing, it's here. So meaning, the light changes the movement. We see the pencil that is above, or let's say move towards there. See, it's not straight. If we will do the straight here, the line should be here. Shamay? The line should be here, right? But it moves going there, moves there, because of the bending of light. Bending of light. That is what we call refraction. Refraction. No? When you look at the fish in the fish tank, in the aquarium, we can see that the fish are very big, but jing not so big. No? Because of the bending of light, refraction of light. So here, for example, this is Mr. Lucas here. So let's put the eyes of Mr. Lucas. Again, I will not teach a lot because you are only 16, 17 students. Okay. Very, very, very handsome.
Teacher, it's like when we look in the water.
Yes.
The fish is like we can catch them, but no, them
yes,
is
correct.
not there. Them is another way.
Correct. Because the light bends. So actually, Swana, from here, we can see that the fish is here, but the reality is here. So it will bend. Okay? Oh, wait. No more. Oh, wait. No more? Oh, wait. No more. Okay. So I hope you understand that one. Nah? So I will search first the penumbra and umbra. I will ask you to draw again. The face of Supason. The face of Supason is, I will ask you to draw again, then the face of Supason is changing. I will explain first this one. Umbra and penumbra. Okay na? You know what? Umbra and penumbra is very, very good example. Now, very good example, especially understanding the moon. Understanding the moon. Umbra and penumbra is kind of shadow. It's a shadow, guys. Okay? I will explain that one with the help of of whiteboard. I will show you the whiteboard. share screen and whiteboard here and over here. So, okay. Now, I will insert a photo of Supason here. May shy photo of me. Okay, this one, This is what we call umbra and penumbra. Okay. So I hope you understand. You know Earth. Do you know Earth? Do you know Earth? Why this one? I will explain why. We can see sometimes our moon is like this, right, Lucas? Like this. It's only half sometimes. Sometimes half. Ay, like that, no? Again, like this or like this, right? Am I right, everyone?
Yes.
Like this, and sometimes it's just a circle. Sometimes no moon. Why? Because of the position of movement of the moon. Question: which one is moving? Earth or moon? I mean, sun or moon?
Sun.
Is the sun moving?
Yes.
Really? Okay, I will explain. Sun is not moving at all. Sun is not moving at all. So again, sun is not moving. The earth turns around the sun. Okay? Turns around the sun. And moon turns around the earth. Understand? Turns around the earth. Not the earth will turn into the moon. Remember that one. Again, the earth turns around the sun. And the moon turns around the earth. Understand? May chai, earth turns around the moon. May chai na? The moon turns around the earth. The moon turns around the earth. The earth turns around the sun. Kaujay. Understand? I may understand, mang. Understand or not? Understand or not?
Yes.
What's yes?
Understand.
What did you understand? The moon turns around the earth or turns around the sun?
The earth.
Turns around the earth na? Turns around the earth. And the earth turns around the sun. Okay na? So that one. So now, while they are turning, while this one, while the moon is turning, we have, you know what? You know, moon is a non-luminous object, right? Non-luminous ba walay? A thing that cannot produce light. Chemay? No light at all. Chemay? Luminous is like sun. Sun has own light, right? Own light. But moon has no light. The moon is borrowing from the sun. Understand? So here. So this is what we call umbra and penumbra. When the moon, it's like sun, moon, and earth. This one is solar, lunar eclipse, no? At na, ano, solar eclipse. This one is solar eclipse. So this one here, this one we have two kinds of shadow. Okay, two kinds of shadow. This one here, the umbra is very black. 100% of shadow. It's very black. Okay, it's very black. Why? Because when you see this one, the line, when you see it, the line here, that one, when you see the line, and here, the center, the umbra is the 100% darkness. 100% dark. Okay? Meaning, the moon covers here This part, 100%. We have penumbra because the sun is bigger than the moon. Right? It can create a little bit of shadow. Not very dark, but a little bit. A little bit of shadow. This one is very dark. Umbra is very dark. It's 100%. And penumbra maybe 50% of darkness. Not so light. Not so dark. I mean, not so dark. That is what we call penumbra. Do not worry. We will study penumbra and umbra when you will become grade 6 or maybe second term of your grade 4. Second term of your grade 4. If I am still the teacher, we don't know, no, in the second term, maybe you don't like me, you will tell teacher Patamawi, teacher, we don't like teacher Juvinเลย. We don't want science teacher Juvinเลย because many work เลยใช่ไหมลูก many work เลย Natapumala za, natapumza. Okay na? So, today, teacher Juvin will not give work. Yay! Only me is happy. Only teacher Juvin is happy. Again, teacher Juvin will not give work. Not happy at all. May DJ loy. No, may DJ. Okay, I will give homework.
No, no.
Again. Again. Teacher Juvin will not give homework. Okay. Because Cherrypat is very happy. Very happy. I will give homework.
No.
Because Prumin is happy, I will give homework.
No.
Teacher Juvin will not give homework. And I am, wait for a while. This one is for everyone. This one is for everyone. I see your work in math. Pichaya, you have wrong, no? For example, I will just teach only this one, not all. For example, how to read this one? 74 point. How to read this one, everyone?
74.362.
Very good. 362 now. 74.362. Here, what place value is this? Ones. Am I right? How about the 7? Tens, right? Ones, tens. How about after the decimal point? After the decimal point. Okay, after the decimal point, that is tenths. T-E-N-T-H-S. Tenths. There is no ones. Okay? The next one here is hundredth. Hundredths. And then the last one is thousands. With T-H-S, T-H-S, T-H-S. That is after the decimal point. No, Pichaya, I saw your work, Pichaya. I am checking your work because I am worried because you know I will be your teacher in grade 5 and you don't know nothing. You don't know, and I will cry. Like I will cry. I will cry. Teacher Juvin will teach again. Okay, this one. Remember this one. Okay, erase. Okay, listen to me. How about this one? This is what I am asking yesterday. Answer me, please.
3/6.
3/6. Keng Mark loy look. Wrong. Pit loy. Do you learn this one?
Yes.
Are you sure? So pass on. Tell me the answer.
I
Forget. See? Okay, listen everyone. Only this one, Only this one. We cannot add if the denominators are not the same. It's 2 and 6. Cannot add. Make them the same. What are the same here? How are we going to make the same? Look at the numbers. It's 2 and 6.
ทำไม่ได้เรื่อง
Which one is bigger?
6.
6, right? 6 is bigger. Then ask yourself, can I make 6? Can I make 2 become 6? How? Multiply. So 1 over 2 times 3. If we multiply the denominator with 3, this one, multiply the numerator with the same number na, plus 2 over 6. We will not change 2 over 6 because it will be the same already. So 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6. See? You can add now because they are the same. It's 6 and 6. First and foremost, you need to think if we can make the same. If we can make all the denominators the same. This is, I am very worried of this one. Because I will be your teacher in math in grade 5. And it's difficult, guys. Difficult. If you will not learn the basic. Lucas, tell me honestly, did you learn this one? Lucas, turn on the microphone. Did you learn this one?
Yes.
Then why you cannot answer? Huh? How can you answer this one if you don't know how to do it? Fractions, addition of fractions, and subtraction of fractions is difficult. Why you are, this is my problem already. Will become my problem in grade 5. Okay, if I have time, everyone, if I have time, everyone, I want to help. Okay? So that is not my lesson. That is not my subject at all. No, that is not my subject. It's your math. I am not your math teacher. So I hope I can help a little bit because when you see the, if you will see the test, my test paper or the test of BMA, many fractions there. Many fractions. It's not basic at all, guys. You are grade 4. You are grade 4 already, not grade 3. Grade 3, you are learning fractions, but the same denominator. But now, not the same denominator already. Guys, no? So if I have time, I will try my best to teach you this one. No, because this one is very important. I am worried about this one. Okay, I think you have class. Do you have class? I have class. I have class. I have
No.
1/3. I have teacher Juvin have class with the grade 5. So I want to say goodbye. See you again on Monday.
Teacher, goodbye, teacher.
Bye.
I have somebody call me.
Teacher.
Bye bye.
Somebody call me.